Hello Cancerians and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to read the cards for you for the month of November 2020, and we will see what are the vibrations you're getting in the month of November and how exactly the month is placed for you. But then before we start, I would like to share with you my contact numbers, how you can reach me for your personalized readings. You can reach me on 8448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. You can also send me a telegram if you wish so, and you can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. Also, if you wish to buy healing crystals and healing jewelry, then you can search us on Google, and you can see the products which are associated, which we have got in our online store for you, so you can order it from there. So thank you so much, and let's get ahead with your reading for the month of November 2020 and tell you what are the vibrations we are getting for you. Okay, so let's get ahead. The very first card, which is the theme of the month card, talks about a book. Look into a book. So, is it like the universe is telling you that pick any book or maybe start reading books suddenly? No, it's not. Actually, the hidden message is that you should actually look around the journals, newspapers, the books which were lying in your house for some time. If you are into a problem, I don't know how many of you have heard about it, that if you are stuck somewhere, you open Srimad Bhagavad Gita and then you put your finger, close your eyes, think about the problem, put your finger on any of the dohas while your eyes are closed, read that out, and then you will have a solution in that one doha for your problem. Try doing that. It's very interesting, and it is a very accurate way of your angels telling you about a solution which is associated with your problem. Okay, so that's a wonderful thing. Other thing what I want to do for you is, today is we will do week by week energy reading as to what exactly is happening in each and every week for you, and what we see for you in this month, Cancerans. Okay, so I'm going to do one more thing for you. I thought I'll just mention it to you. I will quickly pull a card which wherein I will see that your how the month is going to be for you. One, and second, we will pull relationship cards also for you, which will summarize 2 weeks together. So two particular weeks, what are the messages what you're getting from the universe? I will do that as well for you. So let's get ahead and see the energies for you, Cancerans. Very first week, uh, were you working on a plan, a business proposal, a relationship on which you were putting in your hard work for some time, and you were focused, very focused. You thought it will just work out, but somehow the things are getting delayed, and it is delaying so much that now you're losing hope. You feel like I'm stuck. At some point in time, a relationship which you used to think is something which is like, is completely yours, is your relationship, you can't live without the person. Now the same relationship makes you feel like they're just stuck somewhere. It's like a punishment you are going through. That's what the energies are. And I think, and I also think along with that, that there is intervention in your relationship of a lot of people, intervention of a lot of people who are keeping an eye on you in relationship. Or if you at work, you were working on a project which looked like a whole heart and soul you have put into that, you have put in your heart and soul in that product or the project what you were working on. Now suddenly you will feel like it requires you to put in a lot of hard work. Lot of patience is required in that job, lot of patience is required in that project, and now you will feel like, oh, where am I stuck, and when will it move forward, when will I get the desired results what I always wanted. So be it a relationship, be it your personal life, professional life, your emotional life, the spirituality, the path you are walking is going to feel a little bit harsh right now, because you're not getting the kind of results you always wanted out of this situation. And that's one thing which is happening with you. All along with that, and at the same time, in the second week, oh, you're already irritated. In the first week, you are, things are not happening your way, and you have people who are poking into your life, they're interfering in your life a little too much, and that's why you are again a little upset. uh, maybe their motive is to pick out a secret of yours, pick out something which is like a weakness of yours, and then put it on a table with in front of a lot of people, and so that you feel a little embarrassed, you feel you are not worth it. So just to put your morale down, these people are working very hard, so you are under radar of a lot of people right now. That's what I certainly feel for you, Cancerans. Um, in the first and second week, from a relationship perspective, a specific card what I have pulled here, which is summarizing both, is that even if things were not doing, going well in your relationship, even if things were not the way you always wanted in a relationship, November 1st and second week both are giving you that opportunity where you are going to work towards your relationship so hardly. You're going to be, your prayers, your manifestations are going to get answered by angels in the month of November. And now finally things will start falling in place for you. Isn't it beautiful? It's very nice. Maybe things which were not working out for you, now they are working out, now they are happening for you, and you can finally feel positive about it. So that's the first part of the month, the first part in a way that we have summarized first and second week for you. You have a lot of interference of people outsiders in your relationship and in your work area also, so be careful and give lesser chances to these people to actually harm you, or maybe an opportunity to highlight your flaws in public. That's what you're scared of in the second week, surely. Third week, we're moving to the third week now. Now what's happening in third week is it's a very strange thing that the high priestess and the high priest both have appeared in your reading, and both are talking about some movement in your life. The first one is talking about a secret coming out, or your weakness are getting pointed out by people. However, the third week talks about your skill upgradation. So you might get into a new training. Maybe you want to start a new work for which you want to get trained. So that's something what you're doing in the third week of November. Along with that, this new idea, you will invite a lot of opposition from people. People will oppose your idea, they will not be agreeing to your idea, but you are a stubborn Cancerian. You will not let anyone put you down. You will not let anyone harm you. You will not let anyone be against your idea, concerns. And this is how you're pushing them back and telling them, hey, this is my area, this is my life, let me take a decision for myself. And here you will win the argument, because there's no coming from anyone, because you're pushing them back very very well. That's a good thing about you, concerns. I will summarize these 2 weeks, the last 2 weeks also, with a relationship card. But then, as of now, let's move ahead to the last week of November and the last week. It is a continuation to the third week. In third week, where you are pushing people away because so that they don't interfere in your life. That's a wonderful thing, isn't it? You've learned from your mistake in the second week, so you're just pushing these people back. Hold on, enough. I don't want you here. That's happening. At the same time, here, this person is making you upgraded person. You are becoming an upgraded version of yourself. That's happening here. There's a transformation your life is going to get through in the last week of November. You're going to start something new. You're going to leave the past behind and pick up something new for yourself. That's very important energy. Do not ever get scared by seeing death card in the reading, because this card is, I think, the most positive card of tarot. Because if you are not able to move things, back in your relationship, your work area, where you're not able to get away from negative things or negative situations in life, negative and toxic energies in life, this month gives you that opportunity to leave everything behind and move ahead in life. That's one. I'm sorry for the silly ringtone I have on my phone. Okay, but then I like it. Okay. All right. And last week, it talks about very beautiful energy. Maybe people who are family way concerns, who want to have another child, who want to have a family. That's also happening with you. Also, the meaning of this card here, in association with your other cards, is that You're going to flourish in a new era of work. You're going to flourish in the new relationship you will get into. You are going to flourish. Last 2 weeks talk about clarity in your life. Last 2 weeks talk about getting into something new, and there's a transformation which is coming your way, and along with that you're getting nurtured in that life, in that in that life of yours, in that new thing which is coming your way in the month of November. So this is a beautiful energy. Okay, and to summarize these last 2 weeks for you is that um your if you have someone in mind, like if you're single and you want to explore a relationship with someone, you think that person is the right person for you, but then till now you're confused about pursuing that relationship, I think the right time has come. You can start exploring your relationship with these people. You can start exploring your romantic feelings towards this person, because you will succeed, Cancerians. Also, I have a love advice coming for you, which is see, which says turn on your love light. Sometimes the best way to remain sane is to love like crazy. So do not refrain expressing your feeling towards the other person. Do not refrain yourself from expressing your love towards the other person. I think you can do that very well. This month is very positive for romantic feelings. This month is very positive for starting new projects and then moving towards new projects. That can also happen. So enjoy your life to the most. This is a wonderful month and a very positive month. You might have some difficulties in the first and second week, but that is okay. You're going to cover up everything in the last 2 weeks. So enjoy your last life, Cancerans, and be connected. Be there with me on my channel. And thank you so much for all your love that you have showered on my channel all these in this one year. Thank you and take care. God bless you. Bye bye.